Do you like music? Do you listen to music on a daily basis? Do you create a ton of music playlists on your free time? Now, what if I tell you that you can earn money just by listening to music? Unbelievable? Then you should watch this video. We will show you a bunch of websites that can help you earn money just by listening to music and making playlists. You can earn up to $12 or more for every song that you listen to. And here's how to do it. This is 100% free and available worldwide. Make sure that you watch this video till the end to learn the step-by-step process of how you can earn money. Ready to earn money now? Let's go! Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell down below to be aware of the new videos that we will be posting on our channel about easy ways to make money online. You can also leave a comment for any questions or insights that you might have about this video. Sounds good? Then let's get started. In this video, we will be introducing 3 websites that you can use to earn money with music. The first website that we will be using is playlistpush.com. Playlist Push is a website that connects artists to playlist curators. They help independent artists get their music on playlist and give playlist curators a way to discover new music. And for today, we will be applying as a playlist curator. This is the main website where we can earn money for listening to music. What is a playlist curator? A curator on this website is someone who owns and manages a Spotify playlist. This person decides what to name the playlist and what songs to include on the playlist. So how are curators paid? The amount paid per song is based on the amount of listeners you have on your playlist and activity, which is measured with the website's very own reputation song. Depending on your reputation song, you can get paid from $1.25 up to $15 per song. So if you have a lot of followers on your playlist, then the more money you can earn. Being a playlist curator on this website means that you can discover some of the best up-and-coming indie artists and help them launch their careers. You are then rewarded by the website for listening and reviewing songs. You can then discover new music by independent artists that you may or may not like. You are paid $12 per song review. So if you listen to 5 songs a day, you can earn $60 in one day. Instant payouts. Request a payout at any time and they pay directly to your bank account. Support indie artists. Help new and upcoming artists by providing feedback on their music. Discover new music. Discover new music by independent artists for your playlists. To qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube, or Apple Music. For these qualifications, the easiest thing to do is to focus on your Spotify account. Since Spotify is one of the largest and most famous music streaming sites in the world, gaining followers on this platform will be a piece of cake. Later in the video, we will show you on how you can multiply your followers easily on your Spotify account and be qualified to be a playlist curator for this website. If you scroll down below, you can see some of the big brands that feature this website such as Fortune, Hypewhat.com, Medium, and CD Baby. You can also read feedback from artists that use this platform and how they help them in their careers. And you too can help independent artists with their careers as a playlist curator. To apply as a curator, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can join their network as a curator. You just need to click this button and apply to become one. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button or share your thoughts and questions about the video in the comment section down below. The second website that we are going to show you is playlist.net. Playlist.net is a place where playlists can be discovered and submitted by anyone with a Spotify account. It is the most popular playlist sharing site and has a very active community of curators and users who are keen to share and discover interesting playlists of all genres, with a focus on new music. This website has over 170,000 playlists uploaded, over 400,000 registered users, and up to 1.5 million monthly visitors. You can gain a lot of followers just by submitting your playlist. This can help you gain more followers to qualify for you to become a curator on playlistpush.com. To submit a playlist, you can click the Submit a Playlist button. This will then tell you to log into your Spotify account, or you can create your own playlist.net account. To create your very own playlist.net account, all you have to do is click Register here, then fill out this form, and you just need to put your name, username, country, email address, and password. Once all of these are filled out, you can now sign up. Now that you have created an account, then you can log in, and you can link your Spotify account, submit a playlist, and watch as you gain more and more followers even if you are not active. The third and last website that can help you gain more followers on Spotify playlist is Soundplayed.com. Soundplayed.com is a website that has a lot of tools in helping music artists promote their music. Their tools and resources include smart links for music marketing, submitting music to Spotify and Deezer playlists for free, giving funding for music artists to create more music, and so much more. For this video, we will be focusing on advertising your Spotify playlist on this website for free. To do that, first, we hover at the Playlist tab at the upper section of the website. Then we choose the option Add a Playlist to Soundplayed. It should redirect you to this page where you can promote your Spotify playlist on this website for free. Grow your Spotify playlist with their website and free submission system. To submit your playlist, first you have to put in your own playlist title. Take note, they do not accept playlists that only feature one artist or label. So your playlist must have a wide variety of artists and labels in it. Second, we copy the link of the Spotify playlist that we want to promote in our account. Third, we add our playlist cover. The playlist cover can be made by you or should be in the same theme with the content of your playlist. And lastly, we should write a short description of the playlist. You can write 1 to 2 sentences about the playlist, the genre, theme, or what the playlist wants to convey. They will ask you for basic information such as your name and email address to contact you if the playlists have been featured on the site. After doing all that, you can now click on Submit Playlist. Then you can wait until you gain more and more followers in your Spotify account. Earning money while listening to music has never been this easy. You just need to follow the step-by-step process on how to do it, and you can easily have at least $500 a week just by listening to music. So what are you waiting for? Start doing it today! And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you on our next video.